In this video, we'll talk about how to add the units to the Excel. So to do that, for example, all of these parameters. So we only have two decimal space here. So we select all the data here and right click, format cells, and then we go to customize. Okay, so we only need two decimal place. So we select two, and then we add space, double quote, and within the double quote, we add kg here. Okay, so it will add the units to all the data here. Okay, so hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice